Hi Glam Squad, this is your girl Dalou. In today's video, I am sharing with you how I set up these beautiful centerpieces using things from the dollar store. I am so excited. They are so glam. They are so pretty. I can't wait to share them with you. If you want to see how I do that, please keep watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get a notice as soon as I upload something. And if you like this video, please share it with your friends. Let's get started. Here, I'm taking this foam flower that I bought from the dollar store that look like pearl, and I glue it on the vase. The vase is also $1 from the dollar store, and you put whatever candle you have inside of it. Here, I wanted to have red candle, but they did not have them at the dollar store, and I did not want to go to Amazon. It was gonna take a few days, so I took this red ribbon that I bought from the dollar store and just wrap it around it and use my hot gun glue to glue the ribbon around the candle. And on the candle, I'm not gonna turn them on. I am going to use tea light inside of them. I wanted to make some legs for the candle holders, so I bought these little rings, napkin rings from the dollar store, and I'm just putting a nice little glittering ribbon wrap around them. They look so cute. Yes, and as you can see right here, I'm just gluing them at the bottom of this vase that I bought from the dollar store, and then I'm gonna use those red candle that I just showed you earlier. I'm just gonna put them inside of them. Also, I took a piece of wrap and wrapped that candle. I think that's a candle holder also from the dollar store. That's the leg for the bigger candle holder, and this is how it looks like. So elegant. For the second centerpiece, the same flower that I used earlier for the first centerpiece, I'm cutting it into pieces and put it inside that vase. That is also $1 from the dollar store. And another bunch of flower that I bought for $1, I put it inside as well. This cone was $1 from the dollar store. Put everything inside, all the little pieces. I broke them down and put them inside one by one and play with them so they can sit properly. This burlap ribbon I bought from the dollar store, just wrap it around it and glue it down with my hot glue gun. And put a little bow around it. It is so cute. It's so simple, but yet again so stylish. It is my favorite one among all of them because it's so cute. Look at that. Second, for my third centerpieces, I'm using baking soda. And after you put the baking soda, you have to remember to clean the vase because the baking soda leaves a film. And I put a little bit of Epsom salt on top of it. Not Epsom salt, sea salt. I put a little bit of sea salt on top of it to give it that snow look. And those little reindeer I bought from $1 from the dollar store. I got 4 of them for $1. Just put it inside of them. Also, I use a small candle holder inside to make it a candle stand and put a little vase candle holder on top of it. And then I took a glass, put it upside down, get a little piece of wrap and wrap it around it. I used this beautiful gold paint from Walmart to paint some of the stems. Inside the candle holder, I have a piece of wrap. I put ornaments inside of them. Also on the top of the vase, that big flower I got from the dollar store. It has a clip on it. Clip it around the vase to hide the stems. I put the short flowers up front, which is the bling glittery flowers that you see, and the taller flowers up in the back. This is what I call ornament trees, because I'm gluing ornaments and put all around it. It's so beautiful. It is so glam. This is something you can use for any occasion. You can color the ornaments a different color and use them for weddings or different events. This is just perfect for New Year's Eve. Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. I had so much fun putting them together. So yes, leave a comment below. Let me know which one was your favorite, and also send me some picture. Let me see what you're doing for this holiday season. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get a notice as soon as I upload something. And also share this video with your friend if you like it. I look forward to seeing you next time. I love you. Bye bye.